Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and confirming lockout, safety first. With the battery or breaker off, retrieve the wiring diagram and a digital multimeter. Identify the compressor nameplate and service panel so you know terminal labels and voltages. This avoids guesswork. Once done, remove the access cover and visually inspect terminal blocks for corrosion, melted insulation, or spade connectors. Make sure to photograph the original connections before touching anything, because these images guide reassembly and reduce errors. Now focus on mapping terminals. Reference the diagram to find common C, start S, run R, or manufacturer T1/T2/T3 designations. With power still off, use the multimeter continuity function to confirm which terminal is common by checking resistance patterns. Common usually shows similar resistance to both start and run. Once identified, label each terminal with tape and permanent marker, and note wire colors. Make sure to confirm capacitor and relay connections visually, because external components alter expected wiring. Finally, verify your work by restoring power briefly to perform live voltage checks. Wear PPE and have controls ready. Measure voltage between identified terminals to confirm proper phase and supply. Expected values match the nameplate ratings. If readings are off, shut power and recheck continuity, capacitor condition, relay contacts, and ground integrity. Once correct, secure connectors, replace covers, and document terminal ID with a diagram and photos. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.